Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to easily disable sounds in the Tumblr app on your phone. Many users find the app notifications and in-app sounds distracting, so we will guide you through the process to help you enjoy a quieter browsing experience. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then click on Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings, here you will find an option labeled Sounds. Tap on Sounds to open the sound settings. Finally, you will see two options: Notifications and App Sounds. You can turn off either one or both, depending on your preference. Turning off notifications will stop sound alerts from posts, messages, and other activities, while turning off app sounds will disable sound effects within the Tumblr app interface itself. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.